Today I'm going to show you an easy tailgating recipe, my grilled jalapeno poppers with cream cheese and bacon. I've cooked about half a pound of bacon and I'm just letting it cool a little bit before I chop it up. So while that cools, I'm going to work on my green onions. And right now I'm making the mixture that I stuff into the peppers. Cut off the root and this kind of dry end of the green onion and then just give it a fine mince. All right, now add this to a bowl with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, room temp. Just makes it easier to mix everything and incorporate everything together. My bacon should be pretty cool. Chop it up. It's like you're making homemade bacon bits. I think I've sufficiently chopped this bacon up. Move my bowl up just so it's a little closer, and then add all of this bacon in. And also to this bowl, I'm adding 4 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese. Let's stir it up. I could just eat this by the spoonful. Just make sure it's thoroughly mixed. So that's ready. I'm going to move on to my peppers, and I have some jalapeno peppers and some baby bell peppers. I'm going to cut them in half through the stem and then remove this inner membrane and any seeds that you see. So just remove the seeds and the membrane onto the jalapeno. The same thing, cut it down lengthwise and then remove the seeds and the inner membrane. Now time to stuff the peppers. So take a spoonful of the mixture and then just scoop it into this little boat you just made. Kind of smooth it down. Now to do it to all of them. My peppers are stuffed. I feel so accomplished. When I have my grill preheated, I'm gonna pop these poppers on the grill cream cheese side up. Let's start. I think they're called poppers because you just pop them in your mouth. But they're starting to pop and sizzle, really living up to their names. All right, I'm gonna close the lid and let these cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Just keep an eye on them. The top should get nice and bubbly and then the bottoms will get charred. My poppers are ready. I can smell them. Oh, they got bubbly, ooey gooey. All right, I'm gonna let these other ones cook a little bit longer, but I wanna show you these. So you could just pop it in your mouth if you have a ginormous mouth like me, but wait until they cool because they are crazy hot. But here you go. Easy, easy, easy. My stuffed peppers with bacon and cream cheese. Grilled.